Bittu.
Rainy days are fun, but it is also important to stay safe. Here's how you can stay safe like Bittu. Rule number 1. Carry your umbrella or raincoat. Always. Rule number 2. Don't walk through flooded roads. You never know what's inside. Rule number 3. Street food during rain. No thank you. Home food is safer. Rule number 4. Don't touch wet wires or poles. Seriously, dangerous. Rule number 5. Wear proper shoes or prepare to fall and get laughed at. Rule number 6. Wash up after coming in. Rain brings hidden germs. And if you catch cold, rest up. Sip warm soup and chill. Enjoy the monsoon season, but stay smart.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.